In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to erase part of an image in Canva. If you've ever had a photo that was almost perfect except for one distracting object, this walkthrough is for you. We'll use Canva's magic eraser to quickly remove unwanted elements while keeping the rest of your design intact. You don't need any advanced photo editing skills, just follow along. Start by opening your design in Canva and make sure the image you want to edit is on your canvas. Click on the image to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box or handles around the edges. If the image was locked in place, unlock it first so the editing tools become available. A quick tip here, zoom in a little before you start so you can work with more precision, especially around edges. With the image selected, look for the Edit option in the top toolbar or the side panel. Click on Edit to open the image editing tools. Depending on your version, this may say Edit Photo or Edit Image, but it takes you to the same controls. This panel is where Canva keeps its adjustment sliders and its magic-powered tools. Next, find and click on Magic Eraser. This tool uses AI to remove objects and automatically fill in the background so everything looks natural. If you don't see it right away, scroll within the editing panel. A heads up. Availability can depend on your plan, so make sure you have access to this feature. Now, brush over the object you want to remove. Your cursor becomes a brush, and you simply paint across the area you want gone. Take your time here. Use short, controlled strokes, staying slightly inside the edges of the object to avoid erasing parts you want to keep. Adjust the brush size for accuracy. Smaller for tight areas, larger for broad sections. If you make a mistake, undo right away, and try a smaller brush, or zoom in closer. It can help to work in passes, brushing the main area first, and then refining along edges. When you're happy with your selection, click on Erase to apply the change. Canva will process for a moment and fill the space convincingly. Check the result at 100% zoom to make sure textures and lines look consistent. If something isn't quite right, use Undo and brush again, or make a lighter, more precise pass. You can repeat this as needed until the edit blends seamlessly. And that's it. By selecting your image, opening Edit, choosing Magic Eraser, brushing carefully, and clicking Erase, you can clean up photos and designs in seconds. Practice on a few images to get a feel for brush control and zooming, and you'll be erasing distractions like a pro.